Hello everyone, so I am back with another video about the best drones under $200 you can buy on Amazon. Subscribing to our channel and pressing the bell icon will give you access to more interesting videos. The following list is based on my personal opinion and research and is ranked based on quality, features and pricing. Check out the links in the description below for updated pricing and more information on the products mentioned. Are you looking to get into drone flying without breaking the bank? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into some of the best drones under $200, proving that you don't need to spend a fortune to get amazing features and high-quality performance. From stunning cameras to smooth flight controls, these drones have it all. Stick around, because I'll break down the top picks that'll level up your drone game without draining your wallet. And hey, if you like what you see, check the description below for links to grab these gems for yourself. Let's get into it. A video guide has been prepared to help you choose the best drones under $200. Let's begin. On number 5 is HYTOBP GPS Drone. Looking for a budget-friendly drone under $200 that doesn't compromise on quality? Let me introduce you to the HYTOBP GPS Drone, a game-changer in the affordable drone market. For just $105.99, this drone packs impressive features that rival drones at higher price points. With a 4K camera and 1080p video, it delivers stunning aerial shots, perfect for anyone looking to capture quality content without breaking the bank. The GPS intelligent flight system ensures precision and safety, offering auto-return if the signal drops or the battery runs low, no more worrying about losing your drone mid-flight. Its foldable design and lightweight body make it super portable, ideal for travelers. Plus, the 3 smart batteries provide up to 54 minutes of total flight time. If you're on the hunt for the best drones under $200, the HYTOBP GPS Drone is a fantastic, feature-rich option. On number 4 is BLINORY 2K HD. Have you ever imagined a drone under $200 that offers 2K HD camera quality and GPS auto-return? The BLINORY 2K HD drone brings those dreams to life. This drone is perfect for both beginners and seasoned pilots, with easy-to-use features like one-button takeoff and landing. What makes this drone stand out among the best drones under $200 is its impressive 32-minute flight time and brushless motor for a smooth, quiet flight. The Follow Me and Waypoint flight modes are game-changers for capturing your action-packed moments hands-free. Plus, its GPS function ensures it won't fly away, even when the battery is low. Lightweight, foldable, and requiring no FAA registration, it's an ideal travel companion. If you're looking for an affordable yet feature-packed drone, the BLINORY 2K HD should be at the top of your list. What do you think about this budget-friendly flyer? Let me know in the comments. On number 3 is TRANSLISTING 4K Ultra-Wide. What if I told you that you could get a 4K ultra-wide drone for under $200? The TRANSLISTING 4K ultra-wide drone is not only affordable but also packs a punch with its dual 4K HD cameras, offering stunning imagery and video quality. With a 135 degrees wide-angle lens and 90 degrees adjustable view, it captures everything in breathtaking detail. If you're looking for the best drones under $200, this drone will definitely exceed your expectations. The FPV real-time transmission makes live streaming effortless, and the obstacle avoidance technology ensures a smooth, safe flight. Plus, it's equipped with features like gesture selfies, altitude hold, and one-key takeoff or landing, making it perfect for beginners and seasoned pilots alike. For the price, this drone delivers exceptional quality and functionality, making it a steal for anyone looking to dive into drone flying without breaking the bank. What do you think? On number 2 is Velcase Foldable. Looking for a foldable drone under $200 that delivers great performance and fun? The Velcase Foldable Drone might just be your perfect match. Equipped with an adjustable 1080p HD camera, this drone offers crisp, clear footage, making it a fantastic option for both beginners and seasoned flyers. Imagine capturing your adventures with its FPV live feed. Share those moments instantly. The one-key takeoff, landing and optical flow positioning make flying smooth and easy, even for kids. Plus, its foldable design and portable bag ensure you can take it anywhere. With 22 minutes of flight time thanks to 2 batteries, you get more flying fun in a compact, affordable package. This drone not only offers exceptional value but also a range of cool features like 3D flips and gesture-controlled photography. What's your favorite feature of this budget-friendly drone? Let me know. Now moving to the last one is WeFone 2-axis Gimbals GPS. Looking for an affordable drone that delivers 4K UHD quality under $200? The WeFone 2-axis Gimbal GPS drone is a total game-changer. Equipped with a 2-axis gimbal and EIS technology, it guarantees stable and smooth footage, even during those sharp turns. Imagine capturing cinematic shots with no shake, perfect for vloggers or adventurers. For beginners, it's a dream. With one key takeoff and landing, follow me, and waypoint flight, the drone practically flies itself, making it super easy to control. Plus, with up to 44 minutes of flight time from 2 batteries, you can explore the skies longer. The GPS and optical flow positioning give you more accurate control and peace of mind. This compact, foldable design ensures you can take it anywhere. What do you think? Would this drone make your aerial shots more exciting? Let me know in the comments. So guys, this was the video about the best drones under $200. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, tell us in the comment section about which one you like the most, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.